gosh. Oh, ayan. Oh, may ano. Libak. Ano kaya tawag ng libak? Kalimot ko na. Oh, basta pangitaon lagi. I'm not really good in, what's that, guys? Voiceover. That's why I have to do it, voiceover replay. Because if I have to do like live, like while taking the video and I have to talk, some of the words I forget, or the terms I forget, and I don't know what to say anymore. So kaya ano, I prefer to have it mag voice over na talaga. May nakasunod sa akin. So yung umaalog-alog kanina ay train wreck. Kaya parang tumitingala yung ating camera. I think my phone holder is not that reliable. So we are about to cross the highway 27. To the right is going to Carrollton, and to the left is going to Bremen. So those are two different cities, and yan, this is ano na, and then we're back to, I guess this is Linda Lane. Speed limit is 50 on this area, but we're going to merge again to highway 113. Ang hina pa naman yung tumakbo, pati mo lang nakasunod kasi I'm going to merge to the left. Ayan, merge na tayo habang wala pa masyadong car. That's my struggle, guys, until now. When I'm in the highway, the merging, because you have to check on your camera. Bakit may ambulance? To highway 130. Bilisan mo. Kasi makabutan ako ng go sa kabila. Ayan. It's a relief for me if I will be able to cross on any crossing. Ano talaga yun sa akin? It's a tinik in my liig. So that's it. So we were about to go back to Temple, Georgia. So by the way, the city where I live, Temple, Georgia, has we have four counties. So the counties in the Philippines, that's like province. In a province, there are cities or towns. So ganun yan dito din. Pero ano siya, the way the system here is like confusing, because just like with the city I come from, it's a huge city and there are four counties. So I live in Carroll County, so this is part of Carroll County, and on my left, later I will tell you. There's Haralson in farther north or south of where I live is Paulding County, and then there are some parts of Temple that is covered by Douglas County. Diba? That's so confusing. And like the income is also affecting which county you live. But the city where I come from, it's not known. So every time they will ask me, where is that? So if you noticed the video earlier, that was like the countryside. So because it's a huge place, but there are only few people. I guess we are only like 5,000. Not sure. I haven't checked the population, but the area in Temple is like huge, and so far the person that I know that owns a huge land is like, she owns almost 200 acres. So matanda na yan siya. So imagine that. School zone pala. Mag-slow. May basig ang camera. Oh my gosh, masakot. Hog Liver on the left and Old Muse on the right. Ayan. Imagine the school. Across the school is a cemetery. So it's common here, di ba? In the Philippines, we are really scared of a cemetery. Here it's common, like beside the church is a cemetery. So this time we're going to use Highway 113 all the way to the house. Well, we have to turn at some point to reach the house kasi hindi naman kami sa Highway 113 nakatira. At tama nga, north. We're going north. Kaya yung north sa akin is Paulding. And that means if you live in that certain county, even if you are in like the same city, there are some rules that you have to obey. Ay, bakit siya naka-blinker? Laki ng ano niya, karga. Parang imbornal na steel. So, kanina, lumigo tayo doon yung right na ano natin, na daanan na natin. That's Center Point Road. So, we will track all the way to 113. And you will see the ramp, the off ramp going to I-20. So from what I've known, 113, Highway 113 will be all the way. Bigla siyang namatay kasi uminit na pala yung phone ko. Ang init kasi ng panahon. So even I'm inside the car, naka-on yung air condition. Mag-init gihapon ang phone. So that's why namatay siya. Tapos ipataw-taw. Di jud niya kaya. Nagsige na di ako giyaw-yaw. Sige na ko giyaw-yaw, namatay na siya. Dili niya kaya nun ang init sa adlaw. But anyway, I hope that was recorded. Anyway, wala man ko pandong lingkuan. entrance for Temple City. So on the right is Ingalls. That's our supermarket. Supermarket kung nalalaman. Yeah, that's the only, yeah, in here, the nearest grocery place. And then AutoZone on the right, left, and Discount Salvage next to it. And then after this Dollar General will be our City Hall. Maliit lang din yung City Hall namin.